Hi, my name's Owen. I'm in 3rd grade. I love sea creatures. Won't you join me in my submarine? This is episode 5. I want to talk about manta rays. Let's go! Manta rays are filter feeders. They open their mouth to suck in microbes. Manta rays have slime on their body that protects them from the salt in the water. It used to be a popular sport for scuba divers to grab, hold, and ride them. But we figured out that we were damaging the slimes, so we had to stop. They can leap out of the water and glide for short distances. They are nice to watch jumping out of the water, but it's rare to see them. Manta rays are such an energy-efficient and graceful design that we made drones out of them. Manta ray probes that explore the ocean. Let's talk ecology. They are huge for rays. They're the biggest known species of ray in the world. They're so big fish swim under them to get shade from the sun. There are fish called remoras that grab onto them with suction cups on their head. I hope you'll join me for more adventures in my submarine. Thank you for listening. Goodbye!
The Boy in the Submarine was created by Owen Rideout. Co-written by Brian Rideout and Owen Rideout. Directed by Brian Rideout. And performed by Owen Rideout. It was produced by Stormhead Productions. And is copyright 2024 Owen Rideout. This episode of Boy in the Submarine included sound and music from Pixabay. For more information, visit boyinthesubmarine.stormheadproductions.ca. Thank you for listening.